Hey guys, and welcome back to French's Road Trips. A very warm welcome to all our new subscribers. We hope you're enjoying the videos. So where have we been? We've been very busy, or as much as Ben has been very busy. His car broke down unfortunately. The rear crankshaft oil seal sprung a leak. Quite a lot of oil everywhere. We first discovered it, I think it was actually a lot long after the lanes and planes trip video that we did, which was some time ago now. We discovered that there was quite a lot of oil coming from the car, and diagnosed it to be this rear crankshaft oil seal. It's a pain because you need to take out the gearbox, and there's a lot involved. It takes a couple of hours, and also it's also worthwhile whilst you do that job to replace the clutch as well. So that's something which Ben did. Took him I think a day and a half, 2 days I think from memory. I can't really remember now. But we had come across a number of obstacles. We needed a special tool. More of that later. But anyway, we're back, and today's video is all about going to Wales. We've been there quite a few times. We actually went, just trying to remember now when it was. It was either just after Christmas or just before. We went to the Brecon Beacons. There was a lovely road out there, which we want to head back to. I know when we visited that road, the weather was awful, and it just wouldn't look as good as it does today. The weather is lovely, it's shining, so yeah, we hope it will be a good day. And I've put a message out on one of the Facebook groups that we're part of. We may or may not see somebody there that may want to tag along. It may just be us, but that's good. Yeah, so we'll take on this journey and show you around Wales. We will see you there. Welcome to Caerphilly. Caerphilly! Join us on top of here, lads. We're just waiting to see whether or not anybody else turns up. It's a bit breezy, but it's not raining, so that's good, and it's nice and sunny, so we like that. Oh yeah, look, some little lambs! Some little lambs! Oh. Okay, navigate our way up here. Lovely landscape out here. Lovely blue sky. We're a bit sheltered here from the trees with the wind. Seems to be no one around. Just us and the dogs. Continue across this track. Don't think it'll be too long before we see the wind turbine. We should see that shortly. View on the other side of the hill now. We're coming towards the wind turbine, which is looks like it's in full action, doesn't it? Because it's quite windy. Taking refuge in the car. Stunning place. I do like coming back here. I think this is what, the 4th or 5th time now we've been back here, I think, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. It's just the views are just amazing. It's just a nice little lovely lane. Okay, so that's here last done. Nice little lane on a sunny day. So now we're off to the Brecon Beacons. So we've got it plugged in into Google Maps. Don't know the name of the road, but we have been there before, but the weather was really bad and we couldn't actually appreciate the road for where it was. So we're going to head there again. It's about, I think, an hour away, and then after that have some lunch and then head to 2 reservoirs on the way back down through the Brecons and then off home. So yeah, we will see you at the next stop. Short drive up. We've got a convoy of motorbikes, I think, coming down. Short, oh no, it's just 3. There's a little convoy coming. So over this little cattle grid. Let's make way for these motorbikes. Right, so we've just finished at the unnamed road, because it doesn't actually have a name, I don't think. Or if it does, I couldn't find one. But it is next to the River Tor, as I thought it was a stream. Very lovely location, very picturesque. Got a good couple of photos there and then some videos. Let the dogs out for a walk, had some lunch. Now we're off to our 2 reservoirs. Shouldn't take too long. 18 miles on the Google Maps. I think it's actually taking us up through the top of the Brecons and then back down. So yeah, see you there. And we've arrived. We are at the first reservoir, called Talibont Reservoir. Very nice. Couple of people around. Didn't seem as busy as last time we came though. So yeah, we'll get out and have a look. So yeah, this one is Pontesil Reservoir. This was the second reservoir on the list. So a trip to Wales, all done. It's quite a good trip, isn't it, really? Yeah, it was quite a good trip. It is just gone 3:30. Some new videos coming along this week will be, we are changing the DAB module in my car. That has failed. It's electrical gremlins with my car, unfortunately, so we're changing the DAB module, and also the alternator is packed up. So Ben will be changing both the DAB module and the alternator on the silver car, hopefully sometime this week, and those videos will be out later on. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to like them, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you again very soon. Cheerio!